Yes, today on the Blackstone, we're going to make some delicious tacos. These aren't your regular beef or chicken tacos. We're going to make some tacos gobernador. These past few days, we've been eating so much beef and chicken, and we just needed a change, amigas. So shrimp just sounded perfect. Chef's kiss for a meal today. Are you ready to make these tacos gobernador? Because I am. We're hungry, so let's make them, amigas. For our shrimp gobernador tacos, we're going to start off by chopping up a poblano pepper. Amigas, for the poblano peppers, if you don't want the seeds, you can take them out. It makes it a little less spicy. It just depends what spice level you're going for. For these taquitos, I do love me an extra kick of chiles, so I'm adding a chile serrano. Should I?
Bite it. Oh my God.
Amigas, I'm feeling super enchilada after I bit the serrano, which brings me to the word of the day today, enchilada. Say it with me.
Enchilada.
So enchilada means when somebody is spiced up. Like right now, I feel enchilada. For this taco gobernador, we also need some onion, honey. Also need some jitomates. After I cook up my veggies for my shrimp, we also need to add some garlic. So let's chop this garlic up and get it prepped. Let's throw these veggies onto the griddle, amigas. I'm setting the griddle on medium so that our veggies have time to cook, so they can get soft, and it's going to be perfect for our taquitos. For our veggies, I'm sautéing them in some oil. And of course, we need to cover our veggies up. What comes next? The KG Cooks
Spin.
Hey. Our veggies are going to sit under the basting dome for about 5 minutes. We'll check them and see if they're soft yet. If they are, it's time to add the shrimp, amigas. Now for my favorite part, let's season our shrimp. And that garlic that we prepped earlier, it's time to add it to our shrimp. Starting off with our fish seasoning. That seasoning by itself is already so good, but you know I'm extra. So we're also adding some paprika, un poquito de Knorr chicken bouillon, and some limoncito. You already know how us Mexicans do it. We need that tang in all our meals. Que no falte limón, amigas. To our shrimp, we also need to add some black pepper y un poquito de sal. Now it's time to give it a good mix. Once our veggies are nice and soft, we need to add some salt and some black pepper. It's time to start cooking our shrimp. We set the griddle on medium-high so that our shrimp gets that crisp on the outside, but still doesn't overcook on the inside. Also, amigas, for our tacos gobernadores, a lot of people love chopping their shrimp up in little pieces, but I like them whole just so we get that whole shrimp experience. Now that our shrimp is cooked, let's add our veggies to it and mix it up. We cooked the shrimp for about 3 minutes, amigas, so now it's time to take it out. Oh my gosh, I have to give it a taste test right now. I don't even care if it's hot. My mouth is watering.
Oh, wow.
Amazing. Ready to try, babe?
Yeah?
Your hand's already out.
Oh.
What do you think?
Oh, wow. That's delicious.
La cocina de Karina eats. Literally, it eats. Period.
She ate.
She ate and left no crumbs. Now let's warm up our tortillas. Our tortillas. Let's get these tortillitas warmed up on one side so we can give them the flip. We're going to flip these super quickly so we could add our cheese onto them. Now it's time to add our shrimp. Let's close up our tacos. Our taquitos are ready.
But you dropped my shrimp, girl.
Mira nomás, amigas, qué sabrosura. Amigas, y con nuestros taquitos que no falte la salsa. Ahora sí, amigas, it's time for the taste test. Of course, I need some limoncito. Cheers, amigas. Wow. They're so amazing. Let's take a little bite.
Where you go?
Jayla wanted to be part of the video. Hola, amigas! I'm going to keep eating, amigas, but if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're going to make these taquitos, comment a little shrimp down in the comments, okay? I hope you and your familia enjoy these tacos gobernadores. Provecho, amigas. Bye. Love you guys.